This week in Nature Kindergarten, we are learning about bees and ladybugs. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, my friends. This week we're going to be learning about ladybugs. So be sure to check out our weekly activities for all the fun things that we're going to learn about ladybugs. Stay tuned.
Thanks, Mrs. Grabinski. This week you get double the fun. As you can see, I'm buzzing with excitement because we get to learn about both ladybugs and bees.
First, let's learn some facts about ladybugs.
Hi, my friends. Did you know that ladybugs' wings flap 80 times a second? That's a lot of flaps in 1 second. Do you think you could do that? Did you also know that ladybugs lay up to 2,000 eggs? That's a lot of ladybugs. Good thing, because those ladybugs are super helpful for us. Because ladybugs eat little bugs called aphids. And those little bugs eat our farmers' fruits and vegetables. So the ladybugs are really good friends of ours because they help us with our food. Good job, ladybugs!
I wonder, what is the same or different between bees and ladybugs?
When you think of a bee and a ladybug, can you think of anything that might be the same? If you're thinking that they both can fly, then you're right. But a bee's body is very different. They have a head, they have a thorax, and they have an abdomen. They have 2 antennae. They also have 6 legs. Lots of them are yellow and black with stripes, but some, like a mason bee, they're only black.
Bees can be so different. Mrs. Grabinski, can you tell us if there are different kinds of ladybugs?
Did you know there's more than 5,000 species of ladybugs? That's so many! The most common that we see is the red ladybug, but they come in all different colors. Red, orange, yellow, brown, and black. They also have different numbers of spots on them. When they first get their shell, their spots are bright, but as they get older, their spots start to fade. Let's learn some more things about ladybugs.
Look at all those different ladybugs. Each one is so different.
Did you know that ladybugs hibernate? What other animals do we know hibernate? I wonder if ladybugs hibernate in a cave like the bears. Do you think? Where do you think a ladybug would hibernate? So many things to find out.
There are so many interesting facts about ladybugs. They are such friendly and helpful creatures. Thanks, Mrs. Grabinski.
Did you know that most bees are friendly too? Bumblebees, mason bees, and honeybees, they won't sting you, or at least they don't want to. They have too much work to do. Wasps are not busy like bees and can often cause trouble. They're not very friendly. Take a look at the next pictures, and maybe you can see the difference between a wasp and a friendly bee.
Can you see some of the differences? Bumblebees and honeybees are a bit fuzzy. Wasps have more smooth, shiny bodies. They also have a very, very skinny waist in the middle.
Bees are not only friendly, they're really helpful too. In fact, they're kind of like a superhero. Without them, we wouldn't have so many of the fruits and vegetables that we love. Think about strawberries and apples. Yum. Bees work by visiting different blossoms, collecting pollen from each one, and then spreading it around to the different blossoms so that they can allow those blossoms to grow into yummy fruit. Thank you, bees.
What about a bee's home?
Did you know that a bee's home is called a hive? Bees can build their hives in a hollow tree, or a small crack or an opening, or even hanging down from a tree, almost anywhere. But hives will look different for different kinds of bees. Do you remember the mason bee house in our little forest at school? Next time you go by, take a look. I wonder how many tubes have been packed with mud. Behind the mud are the eggs.
What do you wonder about when you see bees or ladybugs? Ladybugs and bees make Mrs. Grabinski and Mrs. Nichols smile. Here are a few jokes that hopefully will make you smile. Ha-choo! Bless you. Oops. What type of bee can't make up its mind? A maybe. Thanks for coming to learn about bees and ladybugs with us. We hope you have a beautiful day.